This is a game of infected. My team started with me, Steve-O, and Spike. And Spike just wandered off to go take a look for him.
Orange. Unless they moved.
There they are. There they are. Oh fuck. Go, Steve. You go to the trampoline. They were hoping to hide and let them walk by. They spotted us.
There's too many fucking rocks. Ah. He just wanted me to run ahead so I'd fucking trip and fall.
Okay. At this point, they are all stunned, so I gotta get away.
Oh.
They're coming!
Oh, there's the fall of the day. There's the fall of the day.
That was one for the fail video. Okay, the infected mob is now starting to get into combat with William and Graydon. So they kind of forget about me and walk by.
Shit.
The infected mob's coming in from both sides now. Steven is stuck.
Oh, fuck. Not looking good. Does it look good?
Owie, I'm dead.
Oh, I'm out.
I am the only human left. I start to get brave here and move around because I want to at least try and get some footage with my zoom cam, but it didn't work. Should have just laid down and not moved. Yeah, that was Santa with a bat. Steve-O knows where I was. He's just trying to find me again. And he finally found me. I'm in trouble.
Oh.
Shit. It's just me left, so I'm not going to run away from everybody. I just got to try and hold out. Pretty sure Cooper spotted me, so I shoot and stun him. I'm getting desperate now, so I pull smoke, just try and cover myself for a while. But here comes Santa.
He's trying to create a 4-spot. God.
Damn it! I was hoping my smoke would give me a couple. This wasn't a long game, but it was really fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe.